In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue where you can't add or find friends on Steam. Whether you're a seasoned gamer or new to the platform, running into problems with adding friends can be frustrating, but rest assured we'll get through this together in just a few minutes. First, make sure you have your Steam app open. If you're not already there, go ahead and start it up. If you're already logged into your account, that's great. If not, just go to the login page. Here, you'll need to enter your account name and password. Once that's done, simply click on the sign in button to access your account's dashboard. Once you're on your Steam homepage, look to the upper section for your profile picture or avatar. Click on it to bring up a drop-down menu. Here you'll want to select View My Profile. This will direct you to your public profile page. From here you'll want to find and click on Edit Profile. This section allows you to tweak different settings related to your public profile, which is crucial for resolving the issue at hand. With the editing options open, move on to the Privacy Settings tab. It's important to make sure your profile is set to public. This setting ensures that others can find you and you them on the platform. Be thorough and check that your friend's profile is also set to public to ensure mutual visibility. This simple adjustment often resolves most issues regarding adding friends. There's another essential aspect to consider. Steam has some limitations for new accounts. These accounts, known as limited accounts, have certain restrictions until they meet a minimum spend requirement of $5 in the Steam store. If you haven't yet made any purchases or have spent below this threshold, you may not be able to send friend requests. However, the good news is that even as a limited account, you can still receive friend requests. So one alternative approach is to have your friend send you a request instead. In summary, ensuring that both your profile and your friend's profile are set to public is a vital step in making your account more accessible. Additionally, ticking the box on the $5 minimum spend hurdle is a crucial part of unlocking the full functionality of your account to add friends independently. By following these simple steps and checking the suggested settings, you should be back to adding friends on Steam without any hiccups. Thanks for tuning in and happy gaming.